Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we'll learn about synthetic division. So it is useful for finding the factors of a given polynomial. So if it is a quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c, we have the formula to find the roots. Like we will use the formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Or we also do the factorization method. By using factorization method or by using this formula, we can easily find the roots of this given quadratic equation. But if we are having cubic equation or 4x power 4 like that, if we are having in the equation, so that is very difficult for us to find the roots of the given polynomial. So by using synthetic division, we can easily find out the roots of any of the given polynomial, whether it is a cubic equation or 4, some like that. Okay, so this method synthetic division is useful for us to find the factors of a given polynomial of any kind of degree. Okay, so here is a step by step procedure we are going to do this synthetic division. Okay, so we need to just follow this procedure and we need to implement on the given examples. So let's see 2-3 examples, we'll easily understood the process. Okay, so I'm writing question for you. They will ask these kind of questions in every kind of examinations. So we need to follow certain kind of steps in order to crack these kind of questions. So I'm reading question for you. 2x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 7 by x minus 2. These kind of questions will come. So I'm giving you step by step procedure. So do follow this. So it will be easy for you. Okay. So I can also take direct steps and complete the whole problem in one step, but I'm explaining you in a step by step procedure so that you will get some clarity on this process, how we can do synthetic division and all. So these are the steps I'm following. First of all, I'm just giving you overview of this synthetic division. Is like we need to take the coefficient of this quadratic equation. So for example, we have quadratic equation over here, 2x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1, and we need to take the all the coefficients and we need to write down, and also we need to equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to, we need to equal, so we need to take one kind of factor from this. X minus 2 is equal to 0 and here x is equal to 2, so that's why I'm taking quotient as 2 and I taken all the factors and I'm writing step by step procedure so that you need to understand easily. In some of the problems we don't have this quotient, so we need to take some trial and error method and then we need to start our process. Okay, so in step 1 we had taken all the coefficients. In step 2 we taken the same 2 in the bottom. In step 3 we have taken the same 2 in the bottom, and in the quotient 2 into 2 is going to be 4. I taken and 4 under minus 5, so I have adding. In step 4, if I add minus 5 and 4, it's going to be minus 1. So like that the same process will be continue until we finish the process. Okay, so this is the process actually. So synthetic division, this is called synthetic division. So I hope you are following this procedure. So these are the steps I am giving step by step, so it will be very easy for you to follow this synthetic division. And like we are just taking each of the coefficient, we are just multiplying and adding. That's what we are doing, and at last we got these reminders. So last one is so called reminder, and the remaining are the remaining factors. So earlier we got one factor, that is x is equal to 2, and these are the two factors. So with this quadratic expression we can easily find the factors of the given polynomial. So we finally got three factors. So let's see another example to get some clarification on this process. Okay, it is the second example I have taken for you, and I am reading question for you. X cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 7 by x minus 3. So in the denominator we have x minus 3. I am equaling it to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0, so x equal to 3. So this is one kind of factor. I am taking it and as a quotient and I am dividing. Okay, so same procedure I am following. So if you are a person not understood the process, I am again repeating for you. In the first step, I have taken all the coefficient of the given quadratic equation. So the for x cube we have 1, for x square we have -5, and we have for x we have 3, and constant 7 I have taken, and coefficient I have taken as 3, and I am dividing it from that. And okay, first I am taking 1 as it is. Next, in the third step, I am multiplying 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is going to be 3. So I am writing 3 in the bottom of -5. Okay, so I need to add it. -5 plus 3 in the fourth step I am doing. -5 plus 3 is going to be -2, and again we are continuing the process. In the fifth step we are multiplying 3 into -2, it is going to be -6. Okay, I'm writing -6, and if we subtract -6 from 3, it is -3, and at last we got 7 minus 9 is going to be -2. So we got all the coefficients. We can write a quadratic expression and we can find the roots of the given polynomial. I hope you like this video session. If you like this session, give thumbs up to this video and do share this video.